I ain't never seen no shit. I don't know. I guess I've cut eggs up like that too before in the past.
With my mom done.
Oh, okay. I don't know if I used a butter knife or not. I know if I'd have used a regular knife, I'd have cut the hell out of myself.
Right before.
Yeah. Well, I would say wait for it. I'm catching it on the. I'm catching you straining the dill relish. Show what you're putting in it. Hold it in front of the whatchamacallit so they can see. Okay, got it. So that's the reason why yours is not watered down. Ooh, that looks so good, honey. Okay, show it, honey. Got it. You don't have to show that. You just showed it. Oh, I didn't catch you beating the mayonnaise jar. Well, you don't beat it when it's full, right? Oh, okay.
Just using up what's left.
Oh, yeah. Oh, honey, you make a mean salad. Sorry, honey.
That's a damn cat. Got into the habit of pouring food out of the dish
Okay.
onto the floor.
Oh, him?
Yeah. He ain't eating it from the dish anymore.
He's eating it off the floor.
Yep.
Okay, show it. Got it. Wow, look at this shit. That's how you mix it, huh? Oh yeah, honey, you're gonna be famous. That's why it turns out so good, because he really works it in there. You work all the ingredients in there. Then you stir it in there like that. Okay.
Too much mayonnaise.
Huh?
A little too much mayonnaise.
Oh. Too creamy for you?
Creamier than I usually have.
Huh?
Creamier than I usually have it.
Oh, okay. Well, if I could do my mix like that, I'd have flavor through everything.
That's about it.
Okay, can I stop it?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, good.